Well, today I just got back home, and we got a little problem with old Red, my K1500. The O2 sensor blew off of her, so I stopped at Auburn, or my old home, and I picked up a few tools.
Welcome to Cheapskate Garage.
That's what we got for tools to work with tonight. Now, if any of you guys have ever tried to take a 33 or an O2 sensor out of a 33-year-old exhaust manifold, you know I'm in for a real treat. On a side note, though, at least I got the fire axe here. We can heat it up and then hit it with the old PB blast. So, I'm going to run some crap inside, get started. Let me get the garage opened up here. Oh, goddamn key. Yep, still moving in. Oh, I have an air compressor and 220 out here now. Alright. You know, I got this pretty badass sound system that the original owner left for me up here. And it sounds wonderful. But if I try to play music and work at the same time, I can't make a damn video for you guys because YouTube will 86 it. So I don't get the luxury of listening to music unless if I put in like a earbud or something. Then I can't think straight anyway. So I'm just going to get this truck in here and get it done. So I got the truck in the garage now, and if you still look way down in there, you might see something hanging there that don't belong to hang there. Let me get you zoomed in. That's an O2 sensor. Yes, this is a 1990 Silverado. It does have an O2 sensor. So I am going to go ahead and get the rest of that bung out of there. It's going to take probably a 22mm wrench and a fire axe and a lot of not so choice words. Perfect. Let's start by spraying some of this on it. Soak it. That's probably not going to do anything. Let's grab a wrench. Let me have you get a look at my extensions here. I got that onto that. And we're going to pull. I don't think it's going to come out. This is just a job that nobody likes doing. Oh my God! Did it move? No way. What? No way! Alright, we're gonna try it for a second time. She's coming loose. This is ridiculous. This is awesome. Uh-oh. She's getting tight now. Come on. Yeah, she's getting snug now. Doggone it. Well, let's do this. Let's spray some more lube on it now that I got it broke free. It will work it back and forth, in and out, until she comes out. Soak it. Oh yeah. This is probably not OSHA approved, but it works well for a stepping stool. I mean, it ain't as tall as a regular wheel and tire, but whatever. We're getting in there. Check this out. Oh shit, she came out. Thank God Almighty. So that's the end of it. That's what she looks like. Get her in the light there. Yep. And we got the new one right here in a box. The O2 sensor in the box. I brought gloves, I don't know why. Here's what the new one looks like. Uh-oh. Look at that, brand new, by Bosch. Hell, now I know why that one actually came out. It was anti-seize at one point. I don't know how old it is, but it was old. So here's what we're going to do next. We're going to disconnect the old one from the wiring harness, cut it and splice it, and make the connections here outside the truck rather than trying to lean all the way back in there and make the connections. Just makes sense. Like wipe before you poop. Just kidding. Oh, there's the old one. You can see how it's missing an end. Where did it go? It's right here. So that was the Bluetooth model O2 sensor. Wasn't working too well, so now we got the regular tooth O2 sensor right there. So we're going to cut these wires right about there. We're going to crimp and splice that, and I think we came with some heat shrink. What do you guys think? Right about there. Right there, I think. No turning back now. Alright, we got the new O2 sensor all spliced and crimped in. It's about the same original length. Actually, I think it's just a touch longer. Yeah, about that much longer. But that's okay. Extra ain't gonna hurt nothing down there. I crawled under here and I was like, oh shit, I got an oil leak. Then I remembered I sprayed PB Blaster and it leaked all down there, so I'm happy. Now I'm on the struggle bus. I got the old one out, gotta get the new one in, and I cannot get it started. Come on. Why you gotta be like this? I thought we were friends. Now I'm gonna just twist this damn cord off. And that's no good either. It's already starting to happen right there. I might have to put the camera down for this one. Oh. Try and scrub out some of that rust and decay. I mean, we're getting something. I don't know how well that's working. Let's go to the other one. Where did I put the other one? I dropped it. Take this nylon, get a little of this on there, and scrub the threads. You know, you just gotta work with what you got sometimes. Let's hope it'll go and thread in now. I mean, it doesn't help that it's at an oddball, kind of just a weird, it's not like 90 degrees to the manifold, it's kind of 36.1 or something like that. It just kind of goes in at a little angle, so it's not making it easy. Just need 3 threads. Maybe this is just not the right size. Oh. It's binding on something. snugging up. Do I dare put the wrench on that? From what I can see, it looks okay. Only one way to find out. Alright, well, she's in there now. I just gotta bring this nice little wire around, up and over, and make sure it's not all kinked and twisted and the bad stuff. Can I feed it back up under through here? If I could see, maybe I could. Maybe if I had two hands, I could. Oh, you're gonna go. Come on. Let's be friends. There. Got it. And boom. She's in. Right there. Right there. She's in. So now we shouldn't have no more service engine lights. So we got the AD2 sensor fixed. Perfect. I got one more thing I'm going to show you tonight. And here's what it is. When I do 60 miles an hour down the road, this mirror just naturally flops back like that. And then you can't see out of it. Now, obviously, it being a 33-year-old truck, 1990, 2023, a 33-year-old truck. Those parts that hold that mirror solid inside of this little housing right here, they're shot. So I'm going to do a temporary fix that's undoable-ish later down the road when I actually do get the right parts. Let me show you. That's right, we're going to hot glue it. I did get this part. This is your steering shaft coupler to your steering box. It's loose as a goose. I'm not going to replace this. I'm not going to pull it out tonight because I don't have a press to press this end right here out of the old shaft, and I don't want to get that involved because I'm working with limited tools. But while the hot glue heats up, I'm going to hop in the cab of the truck, sit right there, look at this mirror, and kind of see when I can see the bush and the trash can over there. I'd say that's pretty close right about there, so we're going to leave it set right there. Now we're not going to put a ton of hot glue on there, just a nice little bead. The reason why I use hot glue is because later on you could come back with a heat gun and a box knife and just kind of peel it off, and it's like it's never there. So it's a good choice when it's not permanent, but it'll hold for a little while. To do this, we're just going to dribble a little bit of hot glue right around in there. Oh, now we're getting a lot of hot glue right in there. It's too hard to work at this angle. There we go. And that's how you temporarily fix your mirror from folding over at 65 down the road. As always, thanks for watching, thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. I do appreciate all of you. Hope you found this video a little bit useful and a little bit entertaining. And I can't wait. In the next couple of months, we're going to have some big changes to this little shop here. It's going to be my main place to work on cars. Bring one in, I can walk all the way around it, plenty of spots for tools. The shelving in the back is going to change. We're going to get insulation. It's all going to be covered so we can really do some neat stuff out here. Stay tuned, guys.